going to show you how to enable the wallpaper carousel on the lock screen of your Redmi Note 15 Pro. So if you go into settings and then go to lock screen, under lock screen, you should see wallpaper carousel. Basically, it's going to show some stunning images and exciting stories delivered to you daily. So basically, these are going to keep changing. Now, if it's the first time, you have to agree to the terms, and then it might ask for cookie permissions, and that's it. So now the wallpaper carousel is enabled. You can go and customize the carousel settings. So you can select specific photos. You can have it mix wallpapers. This mixes your own wallpapers plus some recommended wallpapers, okay? But this option shows only recommended wallpapers. Now, depending on what you want, you can customize it the way you want. So as you can see, now when I go to my lock screen, I should have that wallpaper. And if I go dark and then unlock again, I have a different one. So it's basically a carousel. It shows different wallpapers every time on your lock screen. Thanks for watching and good luck.